Talent Search Cameroon is back.
Oh wow, Lily. Zoe, what did you think of Lily's performance tonight?
I got literal full body goosebumps. That was incredible. You took such an iconic and classic song and you made it completely your own, and it was just, and you did it so much justice, and it was just such a stunning vocal and performance. Like everything about that, it was so passionate, so captivating. I just couldn't take my eyes off you, and the raspiness in your voice is everything to me. I absolutely love it. And you just have such a special talent. You are really special. Your tone, everything about you. You are a diamond. You should be super, super proud. Well done.
Thank you.
Emma, what do you think of Lily?
I love the fact that you smiled throughout it, because I know that on a final night it is so much pressure, you know, and I know there's lots of people here and there's high stakes and whatnot, but you know, you've got this far, so the fact that you're smiling and enjoying it, even if you're not enjoying it, it looks like you're enjoying it when you're smiling. So, you know, when you smile as well, a better sound comes out of your mouth, so it was absolutely stunning. When you said country, I thought, oh yes, because Carrie Underwood is one of my favourite singers. And as soon as you opened your mouth, I could tell that had sort of a real influence on the stuff that you do. You told a story with that song. You know, that song, personally, I don't think is the most amazing song in the world, but when it's sung in a way that the story is told, then it can be. You've got a beautiful tone. As Zoe said, you did make it your own. Your diction is so on point. So everything you say when you sing is so clear. and very, very clean. I really thoroughly enjoyed that. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I love the fact that you've taken like a really overdone song and you've given it a new lease of life. And like Emma said with the storytelling, I think that was a really like a key part about that song. I felt like, and I'm sure other members of the audience felt the same, that it was a very personal sort of like message that you were sharing with each of us individually, but then collectively as well, if that makes sense. It was sort of like you were singing advice to each and every one of us because you really, really told the story of that song. And I think when it's sang normally, the message of that song is kind of lost. But you really did revamp that. I love the tone of your voice on this song. I think, like Zoe said, that huskiness really, really came through. And it was just, I think you pushed vocally as well. You know, you built towards the end and really pushed vocally. It was so powerful as well on the chorus, which I think was so important with the message that you were trying to get. So you're very, very clever in the way that you portray the songs and the way that you tell them. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. Well done.
Ryan?
Lily, you said at the start, before you sang, that you changed the song to suit you. Now, I'm very glad that you did that, because that's what we want to see. We want to see you taking a song and making it your own, telling your own story through that song, and that's exactly what you did. It was really, really well done. You know, it had lovely, lovely light and shade throughout it. It was really beautiful. You had great control throughout the whole song. Your control through this performance was absolutely amazing. You got such a powerful voice too, and it really suited the song. It really did. And I loved your rendition of it. You had great eye contact through the entire thing. And, you know, that performance just shows why you are where you are now, why you are in the finals. It was absolutely amazing. You should be really proud of yourself, and you should be really, really happy with that performance. It was fantastic. Well done.
Lily, look, the nerves are high tonight. I sensed that in you tonight. I really did, because I could just see. I was like, "Whoa, she's feeling this now." And I know it's a lot of pressure, but don't let that take away from what we know you can do, because we know what you're capable of. I've said this before, and I want to revert back to it. In the auditions when we first got to meet you, and when I said to you then, and I still stand by that very same, you know, line that I used, and that was that you are a diamond, and it's rare for us to find sort of country storytellers, those sort of vocalists. We don't see that. We're very rare. We see country singers. What's wrong, Ken? You coughing here? Oh, bless you. Breathe. No, it is rare for us. It's rare for us, Lily. Very, very rare to see that sort of vibe of what you offer. And like I said, even though the nerves were a little bit there tonight on that performance, regardless to that, I think everyone who may not have seen you before can generally sit there and say, yeah, this girl has got something really, really special, because you still managed to prove that tonight. Out of the 3 choices that was given, this was probably the most challenging, because we didn't just give you a modern song that you could think of that. We actually give you an old classic that people expect to be fab. And you turned that from a Beatles song into a Lily country vibe. It reminded me of Dolly Parton in places. It did. How I would image her singing the song. Honest to God, you should be really, really proud of yourself. And yeah, just be really, really proud. Round of applause for the guys. Well done, Lily.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.